Hey, this is Maryam from Crochet Channel, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this pattern. To begin, grab your yarn, make a knot, and start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 3 plus 3 chains. For example, if you have 12 chains, add 3 more chains at the end. If you have 15 chains, add 3 more chains at the end, and so on. I made 24 chains to demonstrate and added 3 more chains to them, so now I have 27 chains. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into the next one and into every chain all across the row. This is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. To the project, skip the first and second single crochets, make 1 double crochet into the next one, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, skip the next 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, skip the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat this process until you finish the row. At the end of the row, when you made your 2 double crochets, skip the next stitch and make 1 double crochet into the last one. This is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Row 3, chain 1 and turn, and make 1 single crochet into the very first stitch and into every stitch all across the row, including chain 1 spaces. Into this chain 1 space, make 1 single crochet and into every stitch all across the row. At the end of row 3, you will have something like this, and from here repeat row 2 and 3 until you get the desired length. This is how it looks like at the end. Hope you make it and like this tutorial. If you want to see future videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write your comments down below, share it to your friends and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!